Are you a destiny number 22? This video is for you. In this video, I'm going to explain to you in the first part what is the destiny number 22 about, and in the second part I give you concrete career advice and advice how can you make money in a fulfilled way where you feel like you have a sense of purpose in your work as a destiny number 22 form. Let's dive into the destiny number 22. Comment if you are a destiny number 22. You are destined to be a master builder who turns dreams into your reality through practical application. You are a very practical manifester. You are a very practical person. You are a very grounded and gentle and nurturing person. You're very much grounded here on earth when you're lived in your balance, because you could be actually as well the opposite. You have the double number 2, which is double feminine energy. What means you will feel called either in some way on your path to step deeper into your divine feminine energy as a destiny number 22. You inherit a lot of feminine energy, and that feminine energy, to channel that energy and to work with that energy is especially important when it comes to your career path. As a destiny number tells us in numerology, what are you the most successful in doing? And this is tapping into your feminine energy, tapping into your flow, tapping into receiving mode, tapping into your intuition. And especially the destiny number 22, as you are the master builder, someone who builds step by step slowly towards their vision, and who actually has the chance to bring big visions here down to earth due to their practicality. You need to find balance between step by step approach and using your intuition. And the more you start working with your intuition, which is a key topic for you to work with, I highly recommend you to work with your intuition, tap into your intuitive senses and learn how to use your intuition. Major key topic for you as a destiny number 22. And the more you're connected with your intuition, you intuitively know if you are meant to stay on that step-by-step path, or if you are meant to change it up a little bit and maybe make a right. Even so, society or some other people would say it would be better to go left, but you intuitively know what is best. The life mission is to help rebuild your community or the world on a more solid and secure foundation. One that is grounded in cooperation, one that is grounded and anchored in peace and harmony. These qualities are super important for you with the master number 22. You want to bring peace, harmony, love, unity, connection here on earth. Connection is something you value the most. You value connection, love, harmony, and peace. And you can see yourself as an ambassador of peace and love. This is your heart desire as a destiny number 22. And you can do that the best through embodying peace, love, and unity. For you, relationships are super important. Your community is very important to you. And as well on your career path, it is very important for you to work in teams, to collaborate with others, to empower each other. And I know we're coming out of a time where, especially where I grew up in my time, and I know the generations before me are definitely agreeing with that as well, that we are trained for competition. But now, as we are in the 2000s and especially through 2022, the 3 tools, the very feminine energy is coming more and more into our planet Earth. So you have the chance to help us how to bring truly feminine leadership down to earth through your practical approaches. As a destiny number 22, you're not only highly empathic, but you're as well a very hardworking visionary with the ability to bring dreams to fruition with your logical, practical, and methodical approach, provided that you don't let your insecurities get the best of you. Work on your self-worth, work on setting boundaries, step into your personal power, my dear. Now I'm giving you concrete career advice for the destiny number master number 22. Use your divine feminine energy in your career, in your business. By the way, let me know if you're destiny number 22 and if you're currently happy in your career, or what would be there, what you would like to change right now in your career, or are you right now transitioning careers? Where are you at? And if you have some examples as well for the community here, let us know what works well for you in your career. So use your divine feminine energy. Therefore, you need to learn how to work with the divine feminine in the first place. Work as well with your intuition. You're very empathic, so you could be in the healing space. You're very understanding. People feel naturally drawn to open up towards you with deep problems. You said in a service-based career, you can be a teacher, teaching others to connect with their heart space, for example, teaching others to heal their inner child. So there are a lot of possibilities how you can support and nurture others to bring peace into the world, because I deeply believe that we bring peace into the world when we are in peace, because our inner energy is radiating into the world. So this can be a good approach for you to bring peace and harmony into the world. It is important for you to be able to go with the flow, so you can use your intuition and move very intuitively through the world. You are very nurturing and healing. Already said, a service-based career can be good for you. In any way, when you can see, you will be the most successful the most you focus in whatever career you are. So it's not that you can be working in finance and you can nurture the finances of a company, but the most important is that you will be fulfilled when you have your focus on nurturing and serving others. So ask yourself the question, how can I nurture and serve others in my current career path or the career path I want to be on? You can be teaching the modalities that helped you to step into peace and harmony and into love. So these are my career tips for you, my dear 2020 destiny number 22. So I got it. And let me know, what are your 4 big 3 numbers? What is your life path number, your birthday code, your soul urge number, and your destiny number? To get the full picture about your career path, I highly recommend you at least to look into your birthday code and to look into your life path number as well, to bring them all together and to form your career, your business in harmony with each other. Download your free Numerology handbook, which you find in the description and in the comments, where I recommend you to read deeper about the master number 22 and work with that energy. I am sending you much love. Thank you for being here, liking, sharing, and sharing your love in the comments. So thank you, and I see you in the next one.